Keep your hands in Namaskar position. Take your hands up and stretch back. Forward and bend down from the waist. Interlock your fingers and twist to the right side. Slowly twist to the left. Bend forward. Take your hands up and stretch back. Laterally bend to the left side. Left palm on the waist. Slowly move to the right side. Bend forward again. Take your hands up and stretch back. Slowly come back to Namaskar position.